Hello guys, it's Mead here, and today in this video I'm going to be walking you through how to create a Facebook ad or Instagram ad that opens up into an augmented reality ad. So you might know that Facebook and Instagram are now doing lots of augmented reality filters, and a lot of these are made by people out there. So Facebook now supports these augmented reality ads. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create an ad like this, where people, when they see the ad, can tap on the ad and open up an augmented reality filter to promote their brand. Let's get into it, guys. So the best place to start is in Spark AR Hub. So I'm not going to teach you how to create an augmented reality experience today. I'm just going to teach you how to publish it to Facebook. So you want to head to Spark AR Hub, Google that, they'll take you here. This is essentially where you want to publish your effects. And the key bit is here. You've got to make sure you publish them to the right Facebook page that you want to promote from. So in this case, I've published my effect to the AdLab Facebook page, and you can see under here, I've got my test AR effect hooked up, and you can see this is under business tools, which is what you want to do. If you haven't got AR effect organized yet, hit publish, create an ads effect, upload it in here. And this is where you'll be able to upload it. And once it's been reviewed by Facebook, it'll appear in here for you to use. Hope that makes sense. Now, once you've got that inside of the tool in AR Hub, you want to head back to Facebook Ads Manager, create a new campaign, and you want to go and create a new ad. Now, the trick is here, you're going to create a single image or video ad, and you're going to select add an instant experience, and you're going to scroll down to choose a template and find AR experience here. This is important. Hit that, and here is where you can create your AR experience ad. And here is where you'll find the ad or the AR experience effect that has been approved by Facebook inside of here. Keep in mind that I am using the AdLab Facebook page, which this has been published to. So make sure you publish the effect to the right page that you're publishing the ad for. You can then select which camera you want it to put on. You don't have to put a button or a URL, and you can just hit done, and that's gonna load up that effect into here. And you can see that already it's got a little icon that says tapped interact. So it's a bit different to a normal Facebook ad, which is an AR ad. Now, this is all like usual, and you can adjust your primary text. We can also adjust the media that we want displayed behind here. So we can remove that, and we can create or add a video for us. We can upload one, or we can just quickly use this one in here and adjust these, and away we go. And you can see then these fill out into the ad. And this is how you create a Facebook ad using AR. Let me show you what the results look like. This is how the ad looks. I open it up, and straight away, bang, oh, that's my room. And this is the AR filter. And this is the AR ad. So it's that easy and quick to create an AR ad inside of Facebook. I just want to reiterate a few things. Turn off the screen recording. One, you want to make sure that you publish your Facebook ad or your AR effect to the right page. If you're like me and have heaps of pages, publish it to the correct one will save you so much heartache. The other thing I want to tell you is give it a day. Facebook takes about 24 hours to review these AR effects and make sure they're eligible to be on Business Manager or to be on a Facebook ad. So give it at least 24 hours if you're going to create one of these. And then I would also make sure that you have an exciting video that demonstrates your AR effect. In this case, I've just used a random video, but what you really should do is create almost a teaser video for what your AR effect does, and then use that as the video, as that's going to draw people in and explain to them what they need to do or what's going to happen when they select your ad and open up the AR effect. That was a lot, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I'm always posting more Facebook ads content. I'm just getting started with augmented reality ads, and I do want to learn more and how brands can use them to master their marketing, because I think the upside of AR ads are going to be massive. As brands start to get more interactive with customers, I think AR ads are going to play a massive part in allowing customers, or allowing brands to interact with customers and to share their products online. And as we all know, it's been a year of COVID, or 2 years of COVID, and everything's gone digital and online. And as shopping and all these services go online, I think people are searching for ways to interact with products, services more than ever, and augmented reality offers a way to do that for brands. So I'm a big believer in augmented reality, and I think we should all start to adopt it because it's going to allow more interaction with our life, and the upside for brands and people is huge. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day. I'll speak to you all soon. Ciao, ciao.